Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Brandon B. I'm an aspiring entrepreneur. I have a few home businesses, such as making custom t-shirts. I deal in candy vending machines, and I recently started my own eBay store, which I'm going to be talking to you guys about today, and hopefully teach you guys a thing or two about starting out on this platform. Facts. Everyone wants to start making some extra money. I do, that girl does, that person over there. eBay is a great way to start making some extra money today. I started my store over 3 weeks ago and I've already made over $500 in profit. I currently have 30 active listings, which mostly consist of video games and other random items. I recently found a bunch of old school games that someone had thrown away, so most of the money that I'm making today is pure profit. So, making an eBay account, getting product, and figuring out pricing can sound like a huge headache. But with videos like these and a little drive, you can and will be successful on eBay. And that's a BB guarantee, baby. So the main part of starting your eBay store is gonna, of course, be your product, what you're selling, and how you can make sales consistently. So how to get product. Like everyone will tell you, thrift stores or garage sales can be the best way to get product. And that is very, very true. But for me, I find the best place to go to find product where the price is negotiable. It's hands down your local flea market, or what we call them here in Cali, swap meets. I can't tell you how many times I've come across some amazing treasures for amazing prices. Stuff that I've either kept to this day or have flipped for a very nice profit. One time, I found a game that I picked up for $4 and ended up selling on eBay for over $200. But not just games though. People are selling all kinds of stuff at the swap meets. Like this Transformers toy gun I picked up for $10. This thing is from the 70s and is super rare. But that brings up an important question. What should you be selling and what should you be looking for? Truth is, there is so much you can sell. People are always looking to buy anything you can think of. So you need to look for stuff that you have a little bit of knowledge of. There's always stuff lying around your house that is not being used anymore. Start there. Look to see what stuff is going for online. You can go check the listings to see when's the last time those items are sold and for how much. And then you'll have a better understanding on how to price your products. That's what I did to start. There's a few other things to learn when starting out your first eBay store. So if you want to learn more or have any more questions on how to get started, then maybe check out my channel where I'll go more in depth on how to start your own store for beginners like me and teach you about my other ventures. Become a real one today and go subscribe. Once again, I'm Brandon B, and that's gonna be it for me. Thank you guys.